So you can see we're right where we left off. We have our initial clip. I'm actually going to bring my second clip down, and I need to find where it was right around 45, which is the wheelie on this clip. So we're going to go here. Cool. So I'm going to click there, and if I hit Control, like I said, is my right click, I can actually do this thing called split clip. This is another way to basically get around and crop stuff. I think this is actually a little faster and a little easier. So I'm going to hit split clip. Boom. And so right there, it split the clip. Except did it split it where I wanted it? Yep. So it split it right there. And I'm going to just get that out of my way because I might come back, because later I'm going to come back and grab something that's there. So let's go here. Oh, let's actually throw it underneath here. Let's actually just delete it. How's that? So now I'm going to crop this down to what I want. So it ends right around there. So I'm going to click, so that way it leaves that marker. And I can just drag it to that line. Boom. All right, so now let's see where we're at with stuff. So I hit play. And it still has the audio, right? So I actually don't want the audio in there. So I'm going to hit detach audio, click, delete. Okay, so now we can see what we got. Cool. At this point, I can maybe bring in my happy music and see. Let's see if this is the right one. So I'm going to hit play. Oh, lied. I'm going to hit play up here. Let's just bring it down. Oh, that's horror. It says it there. So let's try bringing in my happy music. All right, so let's see what it looks like now. So I can see there that it's not exactly where I want it. So let's try this. Okay, and I can also, so I'm pretty happy so far with what I got there. Happy music, happy music fade. So I'm going to go into 102. Let's bring this down again. So I'm going to bring it to 102 and find my next clip. Right, so you kind of get the idea, right? So it takes a little bit of time, takes a little bit of effort, but it's going to go clip by clip. Like I said, your thing's going to go maybe, I don't know, right around a minute. That's going to take a while to get there, right? So I'm going to pause this and kind of get some stuff going and get some edits going, and then we'll come back and see where we're at with stuff. All right, people. So as you can see, I am done editing. I've done a lot of different additions with music and some special effects and that kind of stuff. You can actually get special effects in the same place that we actually got all of our music. And I'll play it really quick so you can kind of see where we're at with stuff. Warner Brothers, in association with Nelson Media, is proud to present to you a story about the love between a boy and his bike, and the events that go horribly wrong. It's a relationship that turned into a deadly obsession.
Warning, I'm here.
Fueled by love that can only survive by destroying those that get in the way.
I say we kill it.
Pee-wee's worst nightmare.
Be sure and tell them Black Mark sent ya.
Right, so you could see as we went through, it actually showed all the different places where clips and transitions and that kind of stuff. Watching it again, I'm actually going to add one more transition really quick into here. And I think I'm done. I'm happy with it. So the last thing we have to do is that we need to be able to export it. So I'm going to hit in the top right corner. I can go to share. You can either, I think what the best way for us to do this is to hit file. And then you can save it onto your desktop. You can see it's a pretty large file. So it's 86 megabytes. And we're going to hit next, and then it's going to process. So what you can actually do is then submit, you can put it onto your Google Drive and then share the link with me, or share the file with me in your Google Drive. And then that's how essentially we'll submit it. You can also upload it to YouTube if you'd like, which is totally fine. And you can send me a link to your YouTube. I'm totally fine with that as well. So your options are YouTube or share it with me in Google Drive. That's about it. I think this took me, I don't know, maybe 3 hours to do all of this. It's probably going to take you a little bit longer. I think I'm probably honestly a little bit more comfortable doing this stuff than you. That's why I'm the teacher. So I would say this should take, I don't know, maybe a week, a little bit longer, if that, in class. And we should knock it out. So, cool. Hopefully that's helpful, and we'll go from there.